What's happening, guys? Here Dr. BC, and in this video episode I will compare this OnePlus One with Samsung Galaxy S5. This is my OnePlus One. For our previous video on this phone, please click on the link flashing on your screen. Now in this video episode I will compare this phone with Samsung Galaxy S5. Now if you compare both of this phone has 5-inch Full HD display, that is AMOLED display, and this has IPS display of 5.5 inch. Due to its bigger display, the length and width of this OnePlus One is quite large than this S5. It is taller and wider. In terms of thickness, both of these phone seems to be similar, and in terms of hardware layout, both of this phone has a volume rocker on its left, but here you can find a SIM tray. In actual S5, this is inside this back cover, and on the top you will find the secondary microphone for noise cancellation and a IR LED on S5, not on this OnePlus One, and that is 3.5mm headphone socket. Okay, the game is loaded up, and on the right side both has power on off and standby button, and on the bottom you will find a dual speaker, that is stereo speaker, but in S5 the main speaker is at the back, and that is USB charging and data syncing port, that is USB 2.0, but in S5 this is USB 3.0. That is main microphone, and here is the main microphone. And on the back you can see that this S5 has 16 megapixel rear camera, this has 13 megapixel rear camera with dual flash. Here is the flash LED of S5 with heart rate sensor, nothing on that. On OnePlus One you will find a third microphone for noise cancellation, branding, and on the front you will find a 5.5 inch IPS display, and that is 5-inch Super AMOLED display, that is notification LED. Here is a notification LED. Front 2 megapixel camera, that is front 5 megapixel camera, that is proximity and ambient sensor, front receiver. Now on the bottom you will find that S5 has two capacitive button, that is a one and that is a back button, and on OnePlus One you will find the menu, home and back button. All of these three are capacitive, where the home button is a physical button on this S5, and this will has fingerprint also that you can use to unlock your S5. If you see the looking, both of these phone look pretty well, both are of plastic design. Now personally I will say that this S5 is much handy than this OnePlus One, and it feel very comfortable in hand due to its low size, whereas OnePlus One it feel quite bulky, 160 gram, and due to its slippery back, that is white or baby white, it feels very discomfortable in hand. Now one more thing that I want to show you, the plastic inside this SIM tray is not so premium. You will see that it's like very cheap plastic. The SIM tray is very cheap. Now in terms of performance, both of this phone has very good AnTuTu scores. As you can see that S5 has 32967 score, and this has 37343. That may be due to that is not on stock OS, whereas the stock Android on this S5 make this phone slower. Now let's see the detail. As you can see that multitask and runtime, this OnePlus One is winner, whereas in RAM operation, although this OnePlus One has 3 GB of RAM, but the winner is S5, whereas in terms of CPU, as you can clearly see that the CPU of this S5 is much faster than this OnePlus One, and in terms of graphics, ultimately OnePlus One is winner, and in IO again this OnePlus One is winner. So you can clearly compare that in some terms this S5 is winner, and in some cases this OnePlus One is winner. Now if you see the device info, both of this phone is on Android KitKat. CPU model has 8 cores with ARM V7, and here it is quad core with ARM V7, The graphics render is Mali T628, whereas Adreno 330. Both has same resolution. The rear camera is of 16 megapixel, here 13 megapixel. Root SS, this is by default it is no. RAM here 3 GB, here 2 GB. System storage 54 GB and here 12 GB. CPU 8 cores, quad core. Frequency 500 to 1300 MHz, 300 to 2457 MHz. GPU Adreno 330 Mali T628 and pixel density 480 both of that. Multi-touch, both have 10 finger touch display, and you see NFC both are supported. SS Wi-Fi. List of sensor, as you can see that this S5 has 3 extra bit of sensor. One is the heart rate sensor, second is fingerprint sensor, and third is the IR LED. Rest of all the sensor on this S5 is present on this OnePlus One. So in terms of hardware, layout or the software, both of these phone are top on the series. But if you see in performance, this OnePlus One definitely wins. But in terms of design, this S5 is a winner. Now in terms of price, this OnePlus One is very cheap as compared to this S5. It depends upon you whether you choose this S5 or OnePlus One. Both of these phone are pretty good. Both of these phone are good in looking. Both of these phone are high performance phone. But if you want more reliable phone, then you can buy this S5, or if you want high performance phone, then you can buy this OnePlus One. The problem with this OnePlus One is that it is not launched in many of the country in the world, so you will definitely get some problem in the servicing part. Whereas Samsung phones, as you know, that service center is available throughout the world, so there is no problem with this S5. Both of these phone are very good, so it depends upon you whether you choose S5 or OnePlus One. This completed this comparison video between OnePlus One and Samsung Galaxy S5. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. The subscription link is shown on your screen. And also don't forget to share this video with your friend. For more videos on both of this phone, keep watching BCD Tech. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.